Shaqualisha, hey, I'm not talk to you again, you know.
I'm not, no.
Your peaches. I said, girl, I'm confused. I say, I'm confused. This never been in my life. You know me, a girl born in a confusion. No one know that. And the coronavirus, some of you, man. I understand all of that in you know, peaches. I know about them, some of them. I understand social distance where you stay far from other people. So nobody not chat up and pick it up in your face. And cough and sneeze on them, some of them. Make, you know, the virus have to travel far to catch you. And you make sure so you wash your hand for your little, you know, your 20 seconds with your soap and your water. And if you not have that, use your hand sanitizer. Make sure you wipe down your house with bleach and Dettol. And some of them I understand all of that. And that's my concern. I want to know when school I will back. And that me want to know. Then peaches are so teacher did hard. If I went no say me there go stuck in a pandemic for teach Shaqualisha, I would have waited till after pandemic for have her. Now so that virus so me make me realize how far me there from my pinnacle. I never know say that's so Shaqualisha done so. You know how long me I try to teach a little girl like color red. I say no matter how me teach her, I say Shaqualisha what color this. She said, I say Shaqualisha this is red. I say what color this? She said red. I say alright. You see by the time Shaqualisha go play and come, I say Shaqualisha what color this? Blue. I say little girl like that I teach, I say what color this? Lala. Shaqualisha call every color in a rainbow except for the color red, like she try piss me off on top of her fact so she don't want to stop me out the whole of my guarantees. I wanna come for her, you know? Wanna come for her. When I my color number? No, I don't want to teach her, I want to take her.